Hey guys, this is Sammy. Last time we talked about how to build a native iOS app using phonegap and Ruby on Rails. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to make a separate mobile views for our application. So basically here you see we have two views, they look the same. The first view is our web application and the second view is our iOS simulator. So what if we need to make a separate views? So basically if we take a look at the code of the project, inside our app directory right here, we have the views, and this is the default views for Rails, which runs in our mobile server or our web application. So what we need to do to create a separate views is to create a new file inside our app directory. I'm going to call it views mobile. And if we look at the default views, we have the layout, we have the project. We need to make sure that each views that we need to have a mobile parallel or mobile equivalent for the view, we need to generate inside the mobile views right here. So first we need to create a new folder and call it projects. And inside our project, we need to generate the index.html.rb. I'm gonna get a new file. Index. Alright, so this is the first step. The second step in our application controller, we need to define a couple of methods to check a trigger point to see if we are running our application inside the browser or inside the mobile site. So basically the first method I need to do is to check if there is a mobile site running, or like mobile device we are running on it. So I'm going to call the method mobile device. So here define a method called mobile device, and here we have the request for the user agent to see if we are running inside a web OS or a mobile web OS. And also what I like to do is I always like to consider the iPad as desktop view because it has a larger screen, but that's up to you. If you like to consider the iPad as a mobile, you can just take this line off. So by doing this method, the if statement right here, so if we have a mobile device, we return true. If we don't, we return false. Then we call the method helper right here if it's a mobile device. The second step, the second method, I need to redirect the Rails application to separate views. So here, there's a method I call prepare for mobile. If there is a mobile, that will redirect the Rails route inside our my app and the views mobile that we created like before. There's two ways like to call this command. There's other ways like you can prepend the views and you can just call the directory from here and check if it's mobile device. The other way is right here. Both are the same. It's up to you. I'm gonna use the first one. And the third method is to check for mobile site. So check for mobile site, we call the method prepare for mobile, the method we create right here. So that means like we're gonna redirect the views to this path if there is a mobile site, which is like the way. So we call two methods right here. We call the first method we redirect the Rails app to our new views mobile, only if there is a mobile site. So if this is true, this method will run and we will create this this path right here. So the last thing we need to check before filter. So inside our project controller, here I call the method before filter check for mobile, and this is what will this is how we're gonna activate our mobile site, our mobile views. So by doing that, if I run my phonegap application again, it would show me the same. Show me nothing, actually show me nothing, because inside our inside my mobile views project index, I have nothing in there. But if you go to the website, you can see the application is running. So look at the difference. The difference is like inside our iOS simulator, we have nothing because it's calling the mobile views. So if you look to our code again, inside my mobile views, I have it's empty. Inside my default views, I have the index right here. But we're not going to use the same views because this is the main reason of this video, to use separate views. So I have like here set up a different views. Copy it. Then I'm going to put it inside my views mobile project index. By doing that, if I run my phonegap again or the server again, you will see these views right here. The views right here, the server is running in the bottom, and if I navigate to my website, I have different views. So here you go. So you can see right here in the our Rails server, in the web application, and it's running the same different views than the website, the mobile application. And so basically this is it. It's like simple as that. And yeah, so if you guys have any question, I will link the I will put the link in the bottom for the other for my other tutorial about the phonegap application. And that's it. If you guys have any question, please leave a comment. Thank you.